Hello, today we are going to talk about our high reflective decals, the iron-on decals for clothing. Then I'm going to show you how to apply them to fabric. So first of all, you'll need an iron, and then you'll need some scissors, and then you need what you're applying to. So we are going to apply to this polyester cycling jersey today. We can get started. So what we want to do, so when you cut them out, they don't have to be exact. Just cut it so that the only thing that you're holding at the end is the flame that you want, or the piece that you want. So cut it out like this. And then remember the side that you want to iron down right over here. And try to get, you can use a ruler if you want. You want to get them to be the exact same location so that when you put it on, it'll look nice. Next step, what we want to do is take the backerboard and cut it to close to the size of the reflective, and then we're going to stick it under there, and so it's raised up so the iron doesn't hit the rest of the fabric. And then you take this, the shape that you cut out, and you put it underneath. As you put it underneath, you can kind of feel it. And if you cut it exactly to the shape, it's even better, but this should be okay. Basically have a pedestal that's raising up where the reflective transfer is. Let's go ahead and start. 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4 apple, 5 apple, 6 apple, 7 apple, 8 apple, 9 apple, 10 apple. And then we can let it cool. You can touch it with your hand a little bit. Peel it. So just like this, it doesn't really matter which direction you peel it from.